Want to know how I've got thousands of students in my online courses? It quite simply comes down to a clever bit of planning. If you are not planning out your year, you can't plan out your marketing. And if you're not planning out your marketing, you quite simply can't get people. So one of the things that I do at the beginning of every single year is plan out what the whole entire year's worth of events, courses, workshops, webinars, free events, challenges, coaching programs, everything are going to be in my business. And I make a plan. And it all starts with this. So over here, I start with a whiteboard. I write down every single month of the year and I pop down ideas of the types of workshops, training, mini courses, full courses, coaching programs, challenges or events that I'm going to run to help people move through the process of becoming an expert in the thing that I'm teaching. I always have that in mind. If someone is going to start the very beginning with you and they're an absolute novice, they know nothing, they're a total beginner in your topic, and if they were going to spend a whole entire year with you, what things would you walk them through step by step? What would I have to learn from you first? What would I have to learn from you next? What would I have to learn from you next? So that by the time a year with you is finished, I feel like as much of an expert in your topic as you are. That is where you begin when it comes to planning out a program or a model or a success journey, is what I call mine, to then give people dramatic results in the area that you're skilled in. And from there, you can then decide whether they're going to be individually sold programs, whether they're going to be an annual coaching program, or like me, my favorite model, whether that's going to be a subscription-based membership that people can choose to pay to be part of. So if you want to check mine out, it's called the Edupreneur Academy, the Edupreneur Success Journey, sarahcordner.com/academy. And basically, once I've done this, I then create a calendar for the year and I then get that made into a beautiful infographic that the students can download to see what their success journey and their pathway is actually going to look like over the next 12 months. And you can go and check that out on my Academy page, which you can PM me or comment below and I'll give you the link to have a look at what that end result looks like. But by having this plan in place, you can then from there go and start adding all of these events that are coming up to Facebook events, to LinkedIn events, to Eventbrite if they're in-person events, and you can actually start generating leads, traffic, interest for those events now, a year in advance. This is how I grow my events and my groups to such decent levels because of the fact I plan them not the week before, but the year before. And I have those events already preloaded into the social media platforms and event platforms. From there, I then go to my marketing plan and my social media content plan. So if I've got X particular workshop or challenge running in February, then in January, my content that I put out on social media needs to be the following type of topics so that I'm generating leads, interest, engagement from people who are interested in next month's topic so I can encourage those people to come and join next month's workshop. It's pretty interesting to me how a lot of people say to me, my gosh, I can't believe you're teaching me this now. It's exactly what I need to learn. And I say, I'm running a workshop on that next month. Come and join it. And they always say, wow, what a coincidence. It's not a coincidence. It's planned. I created content that you guys would engage with so that I could then recommend next month's program for you to come and join. It's all planned. Successful businesses have these schedules in place, have these plans in place, then their marketing, their social content, and everything that they then do from that point onwards actually has a purpose. There is a proper call to action that leads to some kind of paid product or service that is going to help that person achieve the results that you are here to give them. If you've got any questions, you want to know more, simply send me a PM, comment below, or you can also check on my profile as well. I'll see you soon.